What's up, guys? That's Esplanade Avenue. We turn on the Royal. Turn on the Royal Street here. Car passing. Where's Matthew going? Okay. I think this is Barracks. If I'm not mistaken, that was Barracks. We're on Barracks. Like we'll turn on, following Matthew. Matthew's probably gonna take a left on Bourbon. It's a 700 block of Barracks.
Coming.
All right, go ahead. This is Bourbon Street. Calle de Bourbon. Bourbon. This is the 1200 block of Bourbon. This is Governor Nichols, coming up on Governor Nichols Cross Street. Then after that'll be Ursuline, maybe? Let's say Jean Lafitte bar. John Lafitte Pirates Bar. Okay, well, I was wrong. Let's see what street this is. I think it's Ursuline, or I don't know. But I do believe the next block. Yeah, this is cafe. This is Lafitte's blacksmith shop. That's closed down, of course. It's Clover Grill, coming up on the Clover Grill. This is a Monday afternoon, I believe. It's a G-Wagon. Mercedes and an Infiniti. No. Heard it was good. It's Oz. Bourbon Pub. Club Oz. Gay clubs. If that's your thing, that's fine. If it's not, that's fine too. Tropical still on this corner of Bourbon and Orleans Street. Gotta get this exercise on. Crazy corner. St. Peter Street. Where's Touchdown Jesus? Where's Touchdown Jesus? Is in the next street, or did I pass it up? Where's Touchdown Jesus? Is Touchdown Jesus this street, or I'll pass it up? Touchdown Jesus.
That was the last 2 streets ago.
Yeah, I figured I'll pass it up. Yeah. Strip club's closed, huh? Maybe they're getting ready to open back up. Think they're getting ready to open back up? Have to wear a mask at work. Tropical alarm. I seen like one place open. It was like a couple streets over, like on St. Peter or something. It was like on, I don't know what to say, Burgundy, not Burgundy, but they was serving.
Nothing.
No. There was one little restaurant over here, like one block over. They were serving food, but you know, to go only. Galatoire's. Think Galatoire's serving to go? Hey, Birdie. Bourbon House closed. Yeah. Dickie Brennan Steakhouse. Acme Oyster House right up here on the right. That's closed. Acme Oyster House usually a line out the door. Dickie Brennan Steakhouse parking lot. Auger. Yeah. Right here, huh? 214. Has Hotel Monteleone. Carousel Bar. I'm surprised, yeah. Walgreens could be open if they wanted to. Drugstore. The Walgreens on Canal's open though. That's too close for both to be open, I guess.
Hey, let's go to the Napoleon House and get a drink.
Gemini. Gemini's got good burgers. Let's go get a Gemini. Let's get a good burger. No. I used to come here with John. Remember John Fontanelle?
I used to come here.
Oh Lord.
Pay attention.
I know you're turning.
Oh yeah, some good music.
Let's look at that with John Fontanelli.
Who is the bell? Me. I was about to say, I know somebody's got a bell. I couldn't hear it. You couldn't hear the music. I know this song.
This is Charters, I believe. Yes, this is Charters. You want to take a ride on the river?
I get it up.
Nothing gets. There's a cruise ship out there. Is there a cruise ship out of Riverwalk? Parked. A recording? Yes, I am. Can't do this very often. Wow, windy. Right up ahead is the St. Louis Cathedral, Jackson Square. You can see it, I think. I know I can see it. St. Louis Cathedral, Archdiocese, New Orleans. Oh shit! Car coming. Oh! Don't look open. He said he knows why Lance Armstrong had testicular cancer. Caught on you know what's. Remember, if you like my videos, click the thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, all that good stuff. It's Jackson Square. He told me to turn right, then he told me to go straight. He told me to go right. Changed his mind. Now that's his fault. Alright, it's Jackson Square. It's a cathedral. See if I can get a picture of it. I think I got a picture of it. Presbyterian murals at Jackson Square. There's usually artists up in here. There's usually artists up in here. There's This is Artist Alley here. It's like a good place to sleep, you know. Alright, that's Jackson Square. Check the thumbs up. Click the thumbs up. Help me out on all the guys. Hey, I'll see y'all next time. Peace out. Jackson Square. After you do mine.